I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're, well, adopted.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
I have to tell you something. Look. You're adopted.
Pepper, you're adopted.
Winston, did you know that you're adopted? Did you know that?
I have something to tell you. You're adopted.
Pablo, there's been something I've been wanting to tell you for a long time. I don't know how you're gonna take it, but you're adopted.
Good. You're adopted.
You are adopted.